Hello everyone, today I will be showing how to hard reset an Android device. First, we need to shut down the phone, in order to get to Android recovery mode. Once it has shut down, press and hold one of the volume buttons and the power button at the same time. Next, you want to click the volume down button, until it appears, recovery mode. Now, when it appears, no command, hold the power button, then click the volume up button while holding the power button, then release when it says, Android recovery mode, at the top left. Next, click the volume down button, until the wipe data, factory reset option is highlighted, then click that. Click, yes, then user data plus personalized content. Once it appears, data wipe complete, you want to click Reboot System Now, by making sure the Reboot System Now button is highlighted, then click on it by pressing the power button. Wait until the Motorola boot up sign is on, this indicates your device is starting. Please make sure you know the Google account linked to the device, as it may have FRP lock on it.
Hello, Moto.
Once it has boot up, your device is ready. All you need to do is set it up once more. Then you're complete. Remember to subscribe and like to keep the tech flowing. And also, make sure that if you have any inquiries, please email me at FixItFlow@outlook.com.